Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a Sephora haul for you guys. I recently just went to Sephora and picked up a couple things that I have been wanting for a while, so let's get ready. So the first thing that I want to review, which I actually used it, but I wanted to put it back in its original packaging for you guys. I got the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. So I have never purchased any Anastasia products ever, like ever in my life. I've never bought any. I have used them because my sisters have them, but I've never purchased any myself, and I've never been sent any Anastasia products. So this was my first time ever using any Anastasia or Anastasia, however you say it, palette, and I was blown away. So now I'm a fan and I will be buying more of their products. I love this palette. I got the Soft Glam palette. This is how it comes. On the back it just has like what the palette looks like and a bunch of other information on the back of it. So I'm gonna open this and just show you guys. Sorry guys, I'm getting a bunch of text messages, and unfortunately when you text my phone, it goes to my computer as well. This is what the palette looks like. I had a little trouble there for a sec. So let's open it up. Look at these colors, you guys. Oh, just beautiful. This palette right here, you guys, I absolutely fell in love with. I did already use it on my eyes, and I was literally blown away by how pigmented it is. So I'm not sure if all of the palettes are as pigmented as this one. You guys leave me a comment down below and let me know. But this is my first time ever really using an Anastasia palette or Anastasia, and it's so good. Like, it's so pigmented, so pretty. I mean, I'm obsessed. I love every single color. Like, I literally used, on my eyes today, I used Rose Pink, I used Sultry, and I used Rustic and Cypress, I think that says Umber, in the corners. And I was just like, wow. So every single color in here, by the way, really does give you like that soft glam look. Like, I am obsessed. I think it's such a great palette. And it's great for girls like us brown girls with our skin tones like this. I just feel like on my skin tone, these colors just look so good. Like, I was like, wow, I'm totally gonna keep buying this. So it comes with a little brush. So this side is obviously a blending crease brush, and this side is just like the regular like eyeshadow lid brush, I guess. I love this palette, you guys. It's such a good palette, and the packaging was really cute. It's just simple, soft glam, soft, like, I guess this, I don't know what material this is, like a suede? No, that's suede? I don't know. It's just like soft on the outside. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna just put this over here in the back since we're done. Do you guys want me to swatch it? What was I thinking? I'm sorry. So, I mean, of course you see it on my eyes, but I'll swatch a few colors. So I'm gonna swatch Sienna because that's just one of the colors that I use. I swatched a few colors on my fingers. Super pigmented. I barely put my finger in there. Okay, like, look at that. Insane. So the next product that I picked up, this was actually an impulse buy because I was in line and they were like literally in the line as you check out. This is the Huda Beauty lip contour set. I'm actually wearing it right now and I really love the color. I looked at it in the store, but I hadn't swatched it. I was like, I don't really know. But when I got outside and I got in the car, I swatched it on my arm and I was like, wow, I love this. So this is a great natural lip color for anybody who wants to have that like nude look. If you're like close to my skin tone, you'll love this. So this one is, this is Trendsetter. So that's the name, I think, of this one. It comes with a lip pencil and a liquid matte lip and another liquid matte lip. It literally has the numbers 1, 2, 3 here. You're basically going to use them in that order. So you would use the pencil to outline your lip. This one is going to be the darker color and this one's going to be the lighter color. So it's just going to give your lips like a nice contoured ombre look, and it's also going to make them appear larger. So I wanted something like this just because I'm a fan of nude lips, and I'm also a fan of like making my lips look a little bigger. I would never like get anything done to my face, you guys, but I do like the idea of being able to just kind of plump your lips up a little bit. So I thought thought this was a cool product. It does show you on the back like how to apply everything and where to put it. So if you're a little unsure if you buy this, it literally has a little tutorial on the back of it to show you. If you guys would like to see me recreate this look in another video, I will absolutely do that for you. I was kind of just playing around with the products, you know. I didn't film it because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like them, but I love literally like every single thing that I bought. So super excited about this. The next product, I was super hyped to get this. So this is the Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, and I picked it up because I've never purchased, like I said, anything from them, and I think Amrezy had a palette out back in the day, or a couple years ago. I never picked that up, but I did get my hands on this highlighter. So I'm actually wearing it right now. So I'll move this. Can you guys see that? Oh my goodness, girl. Okay, this right here, this highlighter though, is everything. Like, it's so pretty. Look at that. I'm beaming. Like, beaming. So freaking pretty. I put it on this side too. I love it. Like, it's gorge. So yeah, let's show you guys. Let's actually flip it down, upside down. Look at this. I don't know how well this is gonna show up because my lights, but it's just like a nice, like, super gold. I'll put a picture somewhere so you guys can really see how gold it is. But it's very gold. Can you guys see? Yeah, maybe if I turn it a little, you can kind of see. It has like a very, very gold. It's very gold. As you guys, if you follow Amrezy, you know that she's like all about the highlight. So for me, I was like, this better be a good highlighter. And honestly, you guys, it's amazing. Like, look at this. Whoo, girl. I'm not even huge on highlighters. Like, I have the highlighting palettes and highlighters and whatnot, but I don't really put them on too often because I can never really find one that I truly love. But this one, wait till the summer, y'all. Wait until the summer, okay? Huh, it's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna wear this a lot because I really actually like how, like, it's glowing. And it looked so good when I swatched it on my skin. To me, you kind of have to get it a little wet in order to get the full effect of it. But I'll show you this swatch. See this swatch right here? I mean, you can see how pigmented it is. But for me, I did wet it a bit to kind of just get the true effect going. I just sprayed a little MAC Fix Plus on my face, and then I applied the highlighter, and done deal. Definitely obsessed with this. Go ahead, Amrezy. You did your thing with this highlighter. I love it. It's amazing. So we're going to sit that right over there. And then last but not least, you guys, nothing special here, but I got a little beauty blender. So I wanted to show this to you guys just because it's nothing special. It's honestly just a simple beauty blender that literally like everyone has. I got the black one this time. I usually just get the pink one, but I got one of these because I wanted to just get a new one. I do want to tell you guys the importance of getting a beauty blender often. I think you should replace your beauty blender. I think they said like every 3 months or something like that. I think I've had mine for like a year. I didn't know that you were supposed to like consistently replace it. I usually just get a new one like every year, but honey, I noticed that when my beauty blender, even after I clean it, I noticed that there's always still a little bit of stuff still in there. Like, so I was noticing that I was starting to like break out a little bit, and I'm like, I usually have pretty clear skin. I really don't have like a breakout issues. So I knew that it was like from my beauty blender or from my brushes or something that I've been using. So I was like, I need to get a new beauty blender. And I was just watching people, and I saw this video, and this girl cut her beauty blender in half, and it was like bugs in there. It was disgusting. And then someone else cut it, and then it was all this makeup on the inside, but it was clean on the outside. So I want to stress the importance, you guys, of one, thoroughly cleaning your beauty blender. As soon as you use it, when you're done, clean it. When you get home, I know sometimes we do our makeup, we run out of the house and we come back and it's like whatever, but make sure that when you get home, when you have time, clean that thing, you guys, because it does hold a lot of bacteria. Like these sponges, when they're laying around, sitting out, and they're not clean, please thoroughly clean your beauty blender, you guys. It's so important. That is it. I just wanted to do a quick haul. Nothing crazy, nothing too serious. Just wanted to get on here and talk to you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or want to know anything, leave them down below. If you'd like to see a tutorial on this look, please let me know and I will do it. Love you guys. Bye.